This is Pigments Play from Arturia, and it's their brand new free insight into the world of their Pigments multi-engined synth thingy. So this is kind of like analog play in terms of it's kind of like a preset player with limited controls and a limited amount of presets, but you do actually get the full Pigments worth of engines in here. 100 presets categorized, as you can see. Pads, basses, some keys like poly keys. You got some nice kind of RP things going on here too, like that little bit at the intro. Thin plucked. So all very kind of contemporary, modern stuff. None of your bread and butter malarkey in here. So if you're looking for that, this isn't that. You've got some vocal things. And look how pretty it is. You get that visualizer. And two themes, if I'm correct. Yes, you have a dark theme as well. Very pretty, but as my dad used to say, bullshit baffles brains. That ain't going to be much use to you when you're actually recording. I have a strong feeling this is like, oh, look how pretty, I want to go and buy this now. Saying that, it does sound really nice. Like I say, you get the engines in here. You get two engines worth of engines. I don't know what's wrong with my brain tonight. But if you click on engine here, you can see the engine types that you have. Analog. You have wavetable here with quite an extensive list of waveforms in here, all categorized. A sample engine here with, again, a decent amount of sample kind of waveforms in here. Harmonic. And a modal engine. And you get two of those, so you can mix and layer and all that kind of stuff, I would imagine. In the utility side of things here, we get two noise generators and we get a sub oscillator as well. Sub's actually really quite beefy. You get, I believe, 68 different types of filter. And if I move quickly to a lead sound, let's go. That'll do for now. You've got a very basic amp envelope as well to help shape your sound a little bit. You also get two effects units full of all this malarkey here. So a very decent array of effects. Now, like we've got some other controls up here, but we're going to talk about that in just a little while. You get 100 presets, right? But this is a whopping 3 GB download. Yeah, 3 GB, which makes me think that the full-sized daddy program, but I just said daddy, whoa. The full-size version of Pigments is in here, I think, hidden away, ready to unlock. Because if we go to up here and press like synth, up comes this here. And you can see Pigments tantalizing you from that little portal of please buy me. So I do think you're getting the full thing. You just can't access it unless you go and buy it, which I think is the point of this whole enterprise. Those 100 presets in here, they are all modern, contemporary things that you can probably get elsewhere and free without that kind of big download. But this is a funnel to get you in there to buy stuff. You can buy more presets and download more free ones and all that kind of stuff. I mean, fair dues. All these companies are out there vying for your attention and your cash. It's just whether you think it's worth it or not. It's not for me to say. The pad section, for me, is the strongest section. Some really nice pads. A really kind of nice, weird piano. I say weird in a nice way. You also get 4 macro controls here. These are tied to whatever the preset creator guy or girl has given you. So you can't change any of the aspects of the macros, but they are different per preset. See, that's quite nice. That really mellows that piano out. And I'm going to say again, you can't knock it because it's free. But there's an element for me of, I wish I could do that, or I wish I could do that, which is very clever because it's going to go and lead you into buying the big boy. So who's it for? For all of you guys and girls out there that already have a wealth of instruments in your arsenal, you have to decide for yourself whether that 3 GB download is worth your hard drive space to have a play around with it. If it does, and you end up buying Pigments and you love it, it's done its job. If you're brand new to music production and you don't have a lot of instruments and you're really into the really modern stuff, this is well worth a look. Free, what you can't lose. So that's Pigments Play in a nutshell. Go try it. See you in the next one.
You like that, Daddy?